Hi, John Malam here. I'm going to show you how to do your valves. A bit of a problem sometimes, especially if you're getting around the wrong way, right? And as parents are doing them. First of all, we unscrew this bit here, this just on top of the valve. We lift it up about halfway, put the oil on, right generously if they're a little bit stiff. And what we do, there is generally a number at the front of here, and that will tell you which valve goes in which 1, 2 and 3. So a relevant number there. So if you put it, and you can, those little stays will click in to little furrows within that. Okay, so what we do, we screw that up, and I would do each valve singly, and then you don't get a choice of getting around the wrong way, taking them out. Then just check it's okay. Blows through. That's fine. Thank you very much.